Hello and welcome to this April 23rd, 2010 video version of InvestEd Central's Chart of the Day. I'm Tom Bowley, InvestEd Central's Chief Market Strategist, and it's my pleasure to provide you with today's Chart of the Day. This Chart of the Day is brought to you by StockCharts.com, simply the web's best financial charts. Today we are featuring Smart Modular Technologies Inc., ticker symbol SMOD. This is a $469 million market cap technology company. Taking a look at the chart, there's actually a lot of things going for this one technically that we like. First, if you connect the lows going back over the last 10 months, you'll see this nice trend line coming up here, which intersects all of these lows. We don't have any opens or closes beneath this trend line. Note that the action on Thursday actually came right down and tested this trend line before reversing and putting in a bullish engulfing candlestick. The other feature here that I think is really important is that this move down to the 710 low on Thursday also tested the SCAP support area and the 50-day moving average at 709. So there was a lot coming together on this stock as far as support goes. You've got your trend line, you've got gap support, and you've also got the 50-day moving average all converging within about a dime range. So the fact that SMOD fell down to this area, found support, and bounced on slightly increasing volume, I think bodes well in the near term. We would consider entering the stock in the range from the current level. The close on Thursday was 757, down to about that 710, 720 area, with an ultimate target up around 850, and that stop in just below this area of support. So maybe any close, say below $7, maybe $6.95, something like that, in that range would have us concerned, especially if the volume picks up on that move. To the top side, 850 would be the target, but there will be some resistance that comes in around 8. You can see here we gapped down to 8, sold off to about 750, and that came on some pretty significant volume, but we didn't lose any major levels as far as the moving averages go, gap support, and so forth. So we're still okay with that move down, but just recognize as you get up closer to $8, there might be a battle getting through 8, but if we do get through 8, there really shouldn't be too much left until you get up close to that 850 area. One other point to make here on the stock, you can see this breakout back in December came on very nice volume, as did the gap up and the break here in late March. Both came on very good volume, so we've got some nice volume trends here on the stock. But on this breakout, take a look as we went higher. Finally, when we put this black candle in here in mid-January, notice the MACD had rolled over. So you've got your higher high, you finally print that negative divergence, and down we went just below the 50-day, right to price support. Remember, one of the basic tenets of technical analysis, when you break through a prior high, which is resistance, that then becomes support. And you can see we came right down, we tested this support area around 560, and literally within a little more than a week, we were back up over $7. So as a trader, you're trying to look for areas of key support in order to maximize profits, and while at the same time minimizing risk. I hope you've enjoyed our presentation today. Be sure to check out our chart of the day every day at InvestEdCentral.com. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly Market Pulse newsletter and have the chart of the day emailed directly to you. Happy trading.